पंढरपूर हे माझ्या हृदयाच्या सर्वात जवळ आहे. चंद्रभागेच्या वाळवंटात जाणे, पंढरपूरचे दर्शन होणे हे खूपच आनंददायी आहे. महाराष्ट्र आणि मराठी संस्कृतीने या समाजाला खूप काही दिले आहे. माझी आई मला सावित्रीबाई फुले, पंडिता रमाबाई यांच्या चरित्रकथा सांगायची आणि त्यांची प्रेरणा माझ्या मनात घर करून आहे. छत्रपती शिवाजी महाराज, संत ज्ञानेश्वर, तुकाराम आणि सर्व संतांनी समाज घडवण्यासाठी जे योगदान दिले आहे ते प्रेरणादायी आहे. म्हणूनच मला महाराष्ट्र खूप आवडतो, असे मत केंद्रीय अर्थमंत्री निर्मला सीतारामन यांनी व्यक्त केले. लोकमत समूहाच्या महाराष्ट्रीयन ऑफ द इयर या कार्यक्रमात त्या बोलत होत्या.
और मैं इस इवेंट में भाग लेने में बहुत ही आनंद महसूस करती हूँ, क्योंकि जहाँ तक मेरे बचपन से मुझे, क्योंकि मेरे माताजी बहुत पढ़ती थी और महाराष्ट्र के साहित्य और महाराष्ट्र के सोशल रिफॉर्मर्स के ऊपर उनके द्वारा मुझे बचपन से, शी यूज्ड टू रीड ट्रांसलेशंस, मराठी से Tamil translation, whether it is about the life of Savitribai Phule, whether it is Pandita Ramabai. I have read it through all the Tamil translations my mother reads, and she would pass it on to me saying, you should read this. Or, of course, I don't need to mention, both in my family and also otherwise, there has been an immense admiration for the way in which Maharaj Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Ji was brought up by his royal mother, and that kind of an inspirational upbringing is something which was part of my family. Other than that, of course, Sant Gyaneshwar's verses were all in Tamil in our library at home. We've read about Sant Tukaram, Sant Eknath, like that. A lot of exposure to Maharashtra writings and Maharashtra's culture. Obviously, all of you all will know in Tamil Nadu there has been a lot of influence of Marathi rulers. In Tanjavur we have a Saraswati Mahal library which has wonderful collection of books which were all derived because of that kind of a influence from Maharashtra. And personally, Pandharpur is very close to my heart. I can obviously look forward to any visit to Chandrabhaga, the banks of Chandrabhaga, and go to Pandharpur. I would, even now I feel very moved when I think of Pandharpur. It's such an ancient, hoary city. There's so much that it has contributed to our literature, to the thinking, to the building of Indian, good, virtuous human being. And of course, Satara is a place in which one of the very famous and very elderly saint, who we refer by the name of Paramacharya, had camps in Satara, and all of us from Tamil Nadu used to come to listen to his lecture in Satara, because he felt Satara and the places around Pandharpur were so special for spiritual, opening up. So, for me, Maharashtra has so much to offer, so much culture, so rich. If on the one hand you talk of Bengal, for us Maharashtra was closer and there was some strong influence. So obviously, to look up to Maharashtra, to see eminent people of Maharashtra making contribution to India is something which is natural to me, but therefore I feel very honored to be here today to participate in this. I personally thank Dardaji for having given me this opportunity. It is such a sort of fulfilling day for me for this participation, and the selection of people who you've come up with is something which we don't need to speak. The audiovisual clearly mentioned. Each one of them have made a big contribution to the Indian economy, Indian society. The kind of work which has been done during the COVID by Eknath Shindeji is not simple. One has thrown oneself to risk, went around to assure people. जनता के मन में वो भरोसा दिलाना, उस समय दिलाना आसान की काम नहीं है. मैं आपके लिए बहुत बधाई देना चाहती हूँ. ऐसे ही to talk about Sajjan Jindal, who comes from a very eminent family of industrialists, but for him to be so riveted in his business, and if you think of steel, if you think of the way in which steel industry is modernizing, he's made immense contribution. And he continues to influence policymakers because of the way in which he is thinking about the industry and its contribution to India. I'm so happy to place this award to you. You so deserve it. So is the digital revolution in which during Corona, the way in which Vijay Shekhar Sharma and the Paytm, it's almost बचपन में जोक बोलते थे, घर में जोक बोलते थे कि कपड़े वॉश करने वाले हर डिटर्जेंट का नाम हम मानते थे सर्फ ही सर्फ है, सर्फ इज अ ब्रांडिंग, बट वी थॉट ऑफ एनी कपड़ा धोने वाले साबुन को सर्फ हम मानते थे. लाइक दैट पेटीएम इज नाउ डिजिटल पेमेंट, मतलब पेटीएम ऐसे हो गया है बिकॉज ऑफ इट्स वर्क. So I think it is that which is getting recognized, and the two people who have equally added to the Corona time contribution to the society, so both of them deserve such appreciation which has been so beautifully shown in the AV. I would just like to add to all this which Lokmat is doing, and I'm happy to add one thing more here. The Padma Award selection, which happens because Prime Minister honestly got into the system and said it should be a people's award. And the kind of people who have got the award this year for Maharashtra, particularly when I look at Sindhutai Sapkal and also Girish Prabhine and Jaswanti Ben Popat, the Lijit Shri Mahila Grihodyog, Namdev Kamble. These are people otherwise known for the contribution. But to pick such people up and to give them a national award like Padma is something which I think in Maharashtra, there are ever so many people who have quietly contributed to the society, and in a way that is what you're doing by recognizing them and giving an award. I'm so happy to be here. I'm sure the good work which Lokmat as a publication is doing in the media circles and in the societal circles will continue, and I'm very happy that your good work continues like this. I'm grateful for all of you all who have come here. Sorry I'm not able to speak in Marathi, although I understand the contribution Marathi as a language has made to India's literary richness. So, धन्यवाद.